Hi and welcome to a new video from us. My name is Armando with my wife Mel, our dog Ziggy, and the VW that you see in the back called Mork. We are Westphalia digital nomads and we travel and live full-time in Europe and North America. So today we receive a nice box from Germany, from the company Webasto. If you want to know what's inside, just keep watching. We are in Amoeira, is that correct? It's a really nice town, 100 kilometers north of Lisbon. And we are guests at Old School Garage with Rodrigo, VW specialist that agreed to help us on installing this baby, AirTop 2000. Our collaboration with Webasto started in 2017 when they decided to support our documentary movie Vanlife's portrait of an alternative lifestyle. Then in 2018 they decided to make us brand ambassador. That's why they sent a new AirTop 2000 that we'll install on our VW and replace the old heating system. And simply open the box. This is one of the most important things, documents and instructions. So there's 3 books, several languages. We have French, Spanish, Italian, German, Russian, English, I think Dutch. There's no Portuguese, but Portuguese people understand very well English and Spanish. Here is the main beauty. So as you can see, this is the heating system. It's pretty small compared to the old one, and maybe later we can put both on the table and see the difference. This is 2.6 kilo. The measurements are about 30 centimeters, 12 per 12. So we're gonna install these under the van. In this way, here is the nose of the van. These are all the wires, right? Yes. So this one will be connected to the Webasto. Then we have 2 cables for the batteries. We have some fuses here that we already put. If something happened to the battery, I suppose, so it will not create any problem to the Webasto. And here we have 4 different cables. This is for the old controller, but we have the digital controller, so these 2 cables. Then we have the pipe for the diesel, so this will go inside for the tank. For the diesel tank. Yeah, we will not use this one. We already have this pipe, so we're gonna use the old one, so we will not lose time on putting this one, but it's inside the box. And we have hoses, so this is for the exhaust. We're gonna try to use mix, so the new Webasto, but all the air parts, we're gonna use the one that are already under the van. And this, it goes to a filter for the air inside the Webasto. Like that. We have a muffler. This muffler will go, let's say, somewhere here in the exhaust system. And of course you have all the pieces in order to attach the hose on the body of the van and the muffler. We got the diesel pump that will allow the diesel to get inside the Webasto, bracelets and rubber in order to fix it under the van. Sensor for the temperature, so this will go somewhere inside the van. This one is the connection for the diesel pump. We just need to create a new connection here and here. And here some few small bracelets. These are all the elements that you need in order to install the Webasto. The last part is the digital control. Here will be all the menu with all the possibilities that you can use, and also I think the setup, you can set up when to start, the hour, the temperature and everything. And this is the The main instruction, it seems like IKEA, but believe me, it's more easy than IKEA. So with the Webasto and with all the components that you will find inside the box. One important part that maybe I missed, and it should be here inside, and it's the warranty. So this, it's really important. Yes, this is the warranty. Webasto has several dealers all around Europe, so the easy way will be, if you think to install AirTop 2000 or any other product of the Webasto, to go to a dealer, because they will put a stamp here because of safety reason. If you decide to do it yourself, it's possible to do it. You need anyway to stop by a Webasto dealer and let them check the system and get the stamp on the warranty. So this is how things work. This is all we need in order to start and to put the Webasto under our van, and yes. Under morgue. So that's our old system, the Eberspecker, that is not working anymore. It's really noisy, and we're gonna change with a brand new AirTop 2000. You can feel how noisy it is. It's not really nice. This is the exhaust system, so the way out for the fumes. These two are from the inside of a van, and they push in some air, and here is the way out that you push hot air. So as you can see, that's the old diesel pump, so we're gonna just use the same pipe and just change with the new pump. Got here pretty much 23 years different. So this is our old system, the Eberspecker. You can see first of all the size. I mean, this, it's probably 1/5, 1/4. This is 2.6 kilo. How much is this one?
10 maybe.
I think it's more than 10.
Maybe.
It's more like 20. It's heavier than my dog, and my dog it's 19 kilos. This one wasn't working so well, so that's why we decided to go for this one, less weight on the van. So you can find all the information on how to install the Webasto on a VW in the next video.